Hey everyone, this is my little smoothie prepping station, and so I thought I would just walk you through with a short video of what I do. So when I'm ready to go ahead and put all my smoothie making materials in bags, I either freeze everything on a plate or on a tray, so it's already cut up, peeled, whatever you're gonna do, and just dice it up and then lay it out and freeze it. So these are oranges, they're completely frozen. And these are avocados. And then I just start to put everything in bags once it's already frozen. If you put it in a bag before it's frozen and freeze it in the bag, it turns into one big like fruit rock, and it's really hard to blend. So go ahead and freeze everything first or buy it frozen and then put it in your individual bags, because that makes life a whole lot easier. So I have a smoothie ready to go right now. And so what I've done is I poured in just a little over a cup of coconut milk. I have 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and chia seeds in there right now. And then what I'll do is I will put the rest of this bag of spinach in. I usually use about a half a bag per smoothie. So I'll put the rest of that spinach in, and then I'm gonna blend it just like that. And then I'll add the frozen fruit and blend it the rest of the way. I don't think it needs any additional sweetness. Some people add honey. I don't think it needs that, but up to you what you wanna do. But I have a Ninja blender. You know, obviously something high powered is better. But that's pretty much it. So I prep usually 2 or 3 weeks out, and then I don't have to worry about it for a while and can just enjoy making smoothies every morning.